Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I'm giving you guys a nice, sexy, classy hairstyle for the grown and sexy out there. So today, I am going to be showing you guys how to get this look. Today's video is sponsored by Mscoco. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video and sending over these bundles. So this was originally body wave hair and I did go ahead and wand curl it with you guys. In today's tutorial, you guys will also learn how I get my edges to look how they look and show you guys how to slay it like a pro. Hello. What's up, you guys? So I have some hair from Mscoco. I have worked with them in the past, like a couple months ago, but I am working with them again. So I'm going to show you guys what I received. This is a 20-inch frontal, as you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and take it out for you guys. This is body wave texture as well. I'm sure some of you guys kind of know by now that like body wave is one of my favorite hair textures to work with. Here is what the frontal is looking like. The hair looks really healthy all the way down to the bottom. Like I'm really feeling this hair. This is what the frontal is looking like. The frontal is pre-plucked and it does have some added baby hairs. And then I also received 3 bundles of 22-inch. And this is also body wave texture. I'm going to go ahead and take one of these out of the pack. I really like how full the bundle is, and that's the first thing that I can notice right off the bat. So here is the bundle itself, very beautiful. The bundle is full. The hair feels really soft to touch as well. Here are the ends. I am, of course, going to end up washing this, so you guys will see what the ends look like later. But this is what the ends are looking like, not too frazzled. And like I said, this is a 22-inch, okay? Okay, what's up you guys? So I am back with another hair tutorial. Today it's going to be really simple actually. I don't really have anything too complicated. I made this unit with Mscoco hair. As you guys saw, I received 3 bundles of 22-inch and then a 20-inch frontal. I did use 2 bundles and like barely the 3rd one. And this wig is extremely full. Not only that, but the frontal on this unit is really full as well. So that's something that I think you guys may want to know if you guys did order this frontal, that the frontal is very thick. Like when I say it's thick, it's like it's really thick. And because it's thick, that means you're gonna have to pluck it a whole lot more. Come on. I swear, this is why you guys never really see me with my nails done, because trying to have nails and do anything hair related is just like, oh my god. And this is the unit that I created, so here it is. I still need to put some foundation on the lace, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the unit inside out. So this is what the unit looks like inside out. Okay, you guys see it is hand sewn or whatever. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about the type of lace that I use, and typically I just get whatever one that they send me. I never really specify, oh, I want this color lace. The only thing is that I'm putting foundation on the lace and I'm also putting foundation on my wig cap, so that's really the main thing that you want to focus on, not necessarily the lace color. You definitely want to focus more so on what kind of foundation you're using for your lace. I have an entire video on how I bleach my frontals, how I pluck them, the toner that I use. I have information on all of that, including all of the steps, and they're literally in every video. Every video that I have, if you look in the description box. So yeah, just putting the foundation on the lace. And I use the same foundation that I use for the rest of my face, so.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks and go outside, and I split it with the vibe. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been doing since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them not to put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. Look alive, niggas came up on this
yellow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. What we like, lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson sell, he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, it's a Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foot.
Stash it.
Bitch, fuck it. Ice straight again. 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 Fuck Alexander Wayne. Wrist Eddie Kane. Top McLean. Park it at the flame. Think I was insane. What my jeweler brain. Hide in Kirk Cobain. Hunch Bruce Wayne. Big boy Paddock and a skillet. Paddock. Sit ring cones from the celly. You get your ice wrong, go to Elliot. Ice. Smash on the wrist, J ready. Got a bag, trust no medic. These niggas drinking on straight synthetic. Ain't tryna fuck no bitch that petty. Skirt on the hole like Andretti's. It'll lock up if you wet it. Chopping it all like machete. Swerving the Josh and spaghetti. Come to the north if you ready. If 687
So you guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and just added these cute little pins in the side of my hair, and it just says sorry girls, you know, just something cute and just to spruce it up a little bit. I went ahead and I put on a blazer as well because I feel like a blazer would just go better with this type of hairstyle. Like when I think of this hairstyle, I think like I'm going out to brunch, I'm going to a business meeting, you know, this is good for a job interview. I mean, this is like an all-purpose kind of hairstyle. Anything that has to do with like getting that money, like if you just want to be fancy, I mean, you can wear this every day like myself, because I'm literally about to just go out with my family real quick. We finna go to this thing called Dreamscape or something like that. Anyway, it's like a virtual world. I'll tell you guys all about it in another video. But yeah, so this is how I'm definitely coming like to wear my hair up here. It is what it is. And then you guys see how I got like that waterfall effect and how natural my hair looks like all the way throughout, which is important to make sure that you use your foundation color. So whatever foundation that you use on a daily basis, that's what I would suggest to use as your lace color, because you see how effortlessly it like blends in now to where it looks like it's just coming straight out my scalp, because it's matching in with the makeup that I have on today. Now if you didn't want to, you totally don't have to have these in here, and you can just have it without, which is also really cute. I'll show you guys what it looks like without it. But because I knew I was gonna have my hair going backwards, I wanted to make sure that this was in there. So yeah, if you didn't want to have those in, you can have it like this. And you know, it actually does look better without the jewels in there. But if you want to have like any kind of hair jewelry or anything like that, you guys can definitely add that in just to spruce things up. I would do something like that more so like if I'm taking pictures for like Instagram and I just want to look extra poppin', because you know with Instagram you have to be extra out. So for anybody who doesn't really know how to do hair like that, I really enjoy wand curling my hair, because you can never really go wrong with wand curls, and it just gives your hair just a whole different type of vibe to it. I mean, you guys see like how my hair currently looks like. It just looks so classy and just like such a beautiful wave all the way down to the ends. And I didn't even comb this front half, but obviously, you know, you should at this point definitely comb it out, just so it's more like, you know, uniform and put together. So definitely like my hair like this. If you guys like this hairstyle, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. So I did experience very minimal shedding with this hair when I was washing it. Like, you know, after you bleach it, you pluck it, you're washing it. During that whole process, I did receive some shedding. But, you know, usually when it comes to that, most of the times it's because you have plucked it. I mean, it's like excess hair from you plucking. Also, when you bleach the knots, you make the hair a little bit weaker, so the hair may unravel. So that's just something that does happen when you do, you know, bleach and pluck your hair. But other than that, like on just like, you know, me touching the hair is not like falling out anywhere. The other thing that I want to mention is how soft this hair is. I also like the fact that the bundles were very full with this unit, because I didn't even have to use a full 3 bundles. That also has to probably do with the length that I chose, because I did choose 22 inches for my unit today. So because I chose 22 inches, it is also going to make the wig seem a lot fuller, because it's all one length, except for like the very front of the hair, which is 20 inches. So I was really loving that, the fact that the wig came out very thick. So if you are to buy this hair and you're somebody who has like a smaller head like myself, you really don't need the whole 3rd bundle. I used like a portion of it, and when I say a portion, it was like so small of a portion that I was like, I'm mad that I even had to open up this 3rd bundle for this other portion. So that's one thing that I did want to say, is that this hair is very full, and you don't have to buy a bunch of bundles for it to be that way, which is always a plus. But as you guys can see, like this hair is so freaking pretty. Like I love how it came out. I love how my edges look. I like how natural it looks, like all the way around. Once again, this hair is from Mscoco. If you guys like this hair, definitely check out the description box. I will have a coupon code for this hair listed down below as well, along with the link to this hair and their website. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, letting me know you guys like it. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on today's hair tutorial, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!